Today I'm going to show you a little bit more of our new Haecksler 4 with the 18 horsepower Briggs & Stratton and the Easy Rider assist wheel for moving the machine easier around. So here she is. We decided to make the hopper black and a couple of other items just because we like it. That's the Briggs & Stratton. These are the switches for emergency and for the Easy Rider system. And there you find the battery, 12 volt, automatically charged by the engine. The control unit, it shows you the battery status. And here's the Easy Rider wheel with its engine, its electric engine inside the wheel. I'll show you a little bit. The wheel is not touching the ground when in work position. Only when you lift the machine to move it around, it will touch the ground. So the more you lift it, the more traction you will have. That's pulling and pushing, and I prefer the pushing method because it's safer. But sometimes on steep hills where you will have to pull, in that case, safely the machine, you will have to do 60 or 70% of the work. So it's not a full-size transporting wheel, it's just an aid. And I sort of decided for this option because it is not making the machine so much more expensive. And I thought that was important because as soon as we are putting in hydraulics, the machine price goes up with 2,500, and this nice machine should be really attractive for everybody, I think. So we're still selling mostly the 13 horsepower Hondas, which I'm going to show you another time. But this little 18 horsepower is really nicely working. I haven't done any tree work for years anymore, so I just worked a couple of hours with this engine, but I can feel very clearly the improved efficiency. And on the other side, I must say that myself, I've been working for 7 years with 13 horsepower. I've been felling trees a lot as well, up to 70 centimeters. How much is that? 30 inch, yes. And I could not beat the machine, I just had to feed it fast enough.